Republic. Not too high, of course. So, welcome. We are very happy to meet you here. It's already the fourth time we are meeting in the Czech Republic. Fourth time in another national park. So we are for the third national park we are visiting. The historically the oldest in the Czech Republic. There's about 40,000 hectares, so it's not larger, but larger than previous one. We were very much hoping to show you nature tomorrow, but weather is not going to be helpful to us. And then we will see whether in the afternoon we might be happier and we may have time without rain, and then we can do some hiking anyway. We will see. But Alan, as a main organizer, will tell you details, and he will tell you everything what you need to survive here and to get something. So, welcome again, and please help yourself with the dinner.
I'm hungry.
Daar, maar geen soep. Geen soep is.
Ребята вчера шли. Достаточно
Niemiecka właściwa w 1945 i w tym roku spadała na niemiecko-słowackiego własnego. W roku 1910 sobie nasza bez dochodka, ale już kiedyś składać jest bardzo blisko.
činnosti člověka v podstatě jsou silně ovlivňovány člověkem už zhruba 600 let.
You should understand that the forests in the territory of the country have been
Nardus stricta species, and it's just below the tree line here. Hello? What you can see here also is the relief. You can see that we are on almost the highest peak of the Czech Republic, and still everywhere it's just a flat plain, and it's called Edge and mixture of alpine influences, so it's maybe the most regularized this also. And we will see also Karex Mogilovi. I will show it to you on some other place, and at the same time you can see
Ainda por fim, né, filho? Eu crepou assim mulher também para ganhar. Oh, sim. Ah, gostei assim, né? Agora, né, filho? Eu queria ter uma social.
Má jak to robota. The main structure of FieldMap remains the same, so we have a family of software products and related hardware. There are products as project manager, data collector, with its modules, data collector Lite for PDAs, for Windows.
It will read the data from this separated plots and give everything to one again, and you will have data from all polygons for all layers you have in your project together. So
there is going to be 2 sessions tonight. One will be the basic scripting, and at the same time it will be the advanced scripting, presented by me. So You can choose which of those presentations, if you are interested in scripting, of course, you will attend which of them. So this is going to be just a presentation about new databases in FieldMap. And in the evening, I have some lesson about scripting. This is just basic scripting, and Peter Kirdy, you have at the same time scripting experience. Okay, so we can start.
One of the most robust computers that are on the market, together also with the Colibri, for example, that Kamil Bielak is using. Last year it was proved that the IP it was 67. Okay, if you see now that the IP is 60
stem profile, we have developed and proved what we call the 6-point method. Generally, it's sufficient to measure 6 points along the stem to get reasonable quality of stem profile. We usually measure diameter at breast height, of course, with caliper. Then we measure diameter in 2 meters, where we can reach also.
In this following presentation, I would like to give you a brief information about some kind of testing we made to prove the precision and usability or applicability of the field map throughput technology for measuring of the areas of the agriculture.
You have the set of field map products. Some of them are need to be purchased. It has their own price. Some of them are for free. We have a technical maintenance, and generally we have been using so far licensing per
data by means of FieldMap. Then I will show the example of projects that we are now have at our department, and then I will move to the final conclusions. So we have used the FieldMap technology since
First Institute for Nature and Forest, and my colleague is Peter van Czech, who also works on the forest reserves. So yeah. With this presentation, I want to show you how we in Belgian planners deal with the intensive monitoring of strict forest reserves. And
I will present you the monitoring of the strict natural forest reserves and the challenges and limits we have in our field work, in especially alpine tree stands. So you already have seen this morning.
My presentation has two main parts. After the necessary introduction about the technology, about the site, and about the project, we will.
My name is László Korol. I came from Hungary. My institute is well known as a former state forest service. We have a lot of reorganization, but the task is the same.
But I'm leaving from Czech because I'm a little bit tired today. The general information about forest in the sector in Ukraine is following. Total area of forest lands in 10. Мы являемся представителями филдмапа в Российской Федерации и пытаемся продвигать на рынке России технологии по возможности в различных аппликациях.
Anatoly is representing
государственное унитарное предприятие Крkonose Симфон. Государственная инвентаризация лесов Российской Федерации проводится нашим предприятием, федеральным государственным унитарным предприятием, на основе государственных контрактов, заключенных между Федеральным агентством лесного хозяйства.
Tengo dos aplicaciones aquí en esta presentación. Uno es en el norte del Perú y otro es en la selva amazónica.
First of all, I would like to introduce you Jorge Matos Salavarria. He's the director of maintenance.
I would like to introduce you our project of using FieldMap in forest management planning in Czech Republic. I prepared this presentation with my colleagues. from company Xiroda, which was founded in the year 1995, is one of the oldest Czech private forestry management planning companies.
Distance depends on units used on the computer. On the caliper is used Bluetooth class 1. It means long range can be up to 100 meters if you have also class 1 on the computer. And other attributes and also can be sent, but usually we take also only species and diameter. So you change the species you want. You can select these codes in FieldMap directly. If you select, for example, code number 1 for me will be pizza ABS. For code number 2 will be birch. And then you send the data from the computer to the caliper. Here it's set, and then you measure. And if you need to change the species, you just select, for example, birch is here number 3, and then you measure the diameter, send it to computer, and go to the species.
7.
And we have to refine the
7. Yeah.
For example, for the slicing, for example,
So that's done.
close it again. Continue making it. So it's really fast to operate in
Suppose I already have a column with a pull down list species. So the guy used the computer already gonna pick one, but that guy and then measure the trees and all this another species.